In this video, we are going to learn how to implement interstitial ads using AdMob in Android apps. And the first step is to implementing the dependency. So I am referring AdMob documentation, and let's open Gradle file of Android Studio and paste that dependency here. And after pasting it, simply click on Sync Now option, and it will import all the required SDK files to your project. It may take some time. Yeah, and after this, next step is to modifying our Android manifest.xml file. Simply we need to declare here one metadata tag inside the application tag, which will tell some information about publisher. So here I am pasting metadata tag, and we will use this test publisher id for our application, since we are using it for testing purpose here. And don't forget to add internet permission in our application, because we will request for interstitial add to the server. That's why I am adding this internet permission. So basically in the manifest file I did two changes. The first one is adding internet permission, and the second one is adding metadata. That's it for this file. And next step is about design. For interstitial add we need simply one button, because we will call interstitial add on the click of this button. I'm placing one button here, and let me adjust it in the center of our screen by setting some constraints. After setting all the constraints, let me do some basic steps like setting id of button and changing the name of button. Show ad, so this message will show on the button. That's it for design part. And now we are moving to the coding part, and the first one is initializing mobile ads SDK. In the last step we imported mobile SDK by adding dependency, and now we will initialize it in the main activity.java file inside the on create. And here I am importing required packages just by pressing alt and enter key. Now what we will do, we will create one object of interstitial add. But before that, let me declare one button, because we will call interstitial add by clicking this button only. So the first step is binding this button by id, and then I am passing one on click listener to the same button. And now we will select interstitial add, and inside it first step is to create an object of interstitial add. So let me create one object for this. Here I am declaring object of interstitial add, and let me copy all this stuff from here. It is simply creating an object and setting add unit for interstitial add, and we will do all this stuff in the on create. And this one is to load add. Basically it will send request to the server for add, and it will load all the required add. After this we will show add inside the on click function. All other stuff I wrote inside the on create because it should be ready before we click on button. And if the interstitial ad is loaded, then we will show it. Otherwise, we will show some message inside the log. This is the simple implementation of interstitial ad, and now we are ready for the running this application. Let me click on that install button. Let's wait for some moment, and here you can see the application is successfully installed. And after clicking button, we can see interstitial ad.